going on, guys? Ryan from Mike Thompson's RV in Colton. Today we got a very special video for you. This is a brand new luxury travel trailer from Grand Design. This is their Seranova 160 LG. Let's take a look. Going over a few features on the outside of the coach, you're gonna notice this is a brand new style awning. This is something they're putting on $500,000 motorhomes. It's a Girard armless system. So what that's gonna do is keep the side of your coach free. You're not gonna smack the side of your awning arm with the door. Your kid's not gonna smack his head when he's going to grab his ball. It's a much simpler system, a lot more smooth and a lot more luxurious. Okay, other things you're gonna notice here on the outside. Check that out. European style door here with an electric step. It's gonna be a lot easier for you to get in and out of the coach. You're not gonna have to worry about lugging the stairs inside, or they're not gonna fall out when you're traveling either. Now, if you come here, you're gonna notice the axles are a little bit different. Why is that? Because there is no axle. You actually have independent suspension on these. So it's gonna be a lot smoother, a lot safer for your belongings on the inside. A lot of you guys have gone on camping trips and noticed that when you get to your destination, that half of the pots and pans are on the floor. That's because it's an earthquake on the inside of the coach. It's gonna give you a lot more stable ride, a lot more smooth ride, and protect your belongings. Now, what you don't find often in a coach of this size is 50 cubic feet of storage. You do have a little bit of storage in the front as well as the inside of the coach, but check out this massive storage bay back here. Plenty of room for tables, bikes, whatever you guys need. You've also got some access from this side as well. Now come and get a close look at this. See the thickness of these cabinet doors or these exterior doors here? These are about 1/4 inch thicker than anything else I've got on my lot. See how nice and solid that sounded when I slammed it right there? You're gonna get a much more tight seal around the edges, and that's also gonna protect your insulation value all throughout the coach. In addition to that storage, you've got a little bit of room here for your stinky slinky and all of your battery disconnects, water hookups, outside shower are gonna be right here. Same thing with your dump valves. They've got it all in one place for you. Like you guys are familiar with Grand Design, they're doing the same thing here. And this is another beautiful feature I wanna go over with you. The only travel trailer I've got here in stock that comes with Dexter tow assist. That's something you find on triple axle toy haulers or big solitude fifth wheels. What that does, it's an integrated system in the braking of the coach, which prevents or mitigates a little bit of sway. So if you come into that situation where you have to slam on the brakes, the system will brake one side of the trailer versus the other in order to prevent you from fishtailing behind you. Like I said, found on a lot of higher end fifth wheels. They've done it in their smallest travel trailer for you. Coming over to the front, you've got a beautiful windshield here, fully painted fiberglass front cap. Now these windows aren't your normal windows. These are acrylic. So what does that mean for you? They're gonna be much more shatter resistant. They're gonna protect you a little bit better when rocks are coming down at you going down the road. They're gonna give you a nice tighter seal, and they're more lightweight. Keeping this trailer lightweight was their goal. They've got an aluminum frame going throughout the bottom of the coach. Again, the goal was to keep it lightweight and simple, 1/2 ton towable, no problem. Now, once we step into the inside, you're gonna notice, hey, this kind of feels like an Airstream in here. Now it's because they've got luxurious imported cabinetry from Europe. Also, the inside of the coach is built to Grand Design standard. So you're not gonna pay the ungodly price tag, but you are still gonna get Grand Design's famous 1, 3, and 5-year warranty on everything. Coming over to the dinette here, you've got plenty of room for you and a couple other folks to play cards at the campground when you guys are hanging out inside. Now this table does drop down, and it does give you place to move that cushion right there over and give you a separate sleeping arrangement, right? So this coach is technically made to sleep 4 people comfortably, okay? Classic 12-volt fridge. They're putting this in all of the new units here. I love it. You don't have that condenser on the inside, so look at all that room you get. Anything you'll find in this size of a travel trailer is going to be half the size in the fridge. So you got plenty of counter space for prepping your food. They do include an induction cooktop that when you just plug it into this right here, and then as soon as you guys are done, you'll put the induction away. You've got plenty of cabinetry here. Look how deep that storage is there. Plenty of room for pots and pans, weekend trips. I'd even take a trip as long as a week in this thing. Massive, quiet, low profile AC. This is a 15K BTU AC, direct dump, so you're gonna get an extreme amount of airflow all throughout the coach here, and it is gonna be evenly distributed. One thing I do wanna highlight here, you've got day shades, night shades, and if you wanna let a little bit of breeze in, it's simple, pushing that out there. You've got a ton of overhead cabinet storage. Once again here, like I mentioned outside, this coach is not lacking in storage whatsoever. You've got full coverage all throughout the cabin, and some nice reading lights for those of you who are book lovers. This is gonna be a one-piece shower here, so it's gonna seal out all of the water. It's gonna prevent a lot of cracking. It's not gonna let moisture in if you're concerned about mold or other hazards that come with RVing. You got plenty of headroom here, so I'm about 5'10", and you notice I've got plenty of room to turn around in here. And they also included this non-slip mat for you with the Grand Design logo. It's a very nice touch. You've also got plenty of seating space here, right? And if you want to keep an eye on the kids while you're handling business in here, you got plenty of room to do so. And when you're done handling business, good to go. Once again, guys, thanks for checking out the video. This is Ryan from Mike Thompson's RV in Colton. If you guys have any questions about the Grand Design Seranova or any other products we carry, feel free to stop by and ask for me. Thanks.